Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the 5 ways to get louder and better sound on the Windows. First of all, you could also use the enhancements. Windows include audio enhancement that can improve sound quality. You could also right click on the speaker icon which is on the bottom right over here. Right click on that option and go to the sound settings. And from here you could choose the options, or you could also try go to the more sound settings and simply click on the options from over here to use enhancements as well. You can also install third-party equalizer software to customize audio settings. These programs allow you to adjust frequency to enhance sound quality and make it louder as well. Or you could also try using the external speakers or the headphones. External speakers or headphones often provide better sound quality and can be louder than built-in speakers. Connect high quality speakers or the headphones to your Windows device for an improved audio experience. And remember to test different settings and configurations to find the combination that works best for you and your audio setup. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.